if you're craving something crispy, creamy, and full of flavor. This salmon spinach puff pastry wreath is the perfect holiday treat. I'm rolling tender salmon with a creamy ricotta spinach filling inside buttery puff pastry, then shaping it into a beautiful wreath. It's flaky, rich, and so easy to make. We'll need 1 sheet of puff pastry, thawed for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm using 10 ounces of lightly smoked, skinless salmon. You can also use fresh salmon, just season it with a little salt and black pepper. I love mandarin zest, so I'm using the zest of 2 mandarins, but lemon zest works just as well. For the filling, I prefer using 1/2 cup of ricotta, but cream cheese works just as well. 1/4 cup cooked, drained, chopped spinach. 1 tablespoon citrus zest. 3 cloves minced garlic. 1 teaspoon sea salt. And a pinch of black pepper. Mix until well combined. Unroll the puff pastry sheet. Mark the bottom third of the pastry just like I show in the video, and cut that section into 1-inch strips. Slice the salmon into thinner pieces so it's easier to roll and shape. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to your spinach ricotta mixture and spread it evenly over the top third of the puff pastry. Leaving a 2 inches border before the strips. Then place the salmon on top of the filling. Just like that. Roll the puff pastry from the salmon side. And transfer it to a baking sheet. Let it rest in the fridge for about 20 minutes, so it firms up and becomes easier to handle and shape. For the egg wash, whisk 1 egg with 1 tablespoon of water until smooth. Now it's ready to shape into a wreath. Brush the wreath with egg wash. Sprinkle with black sesame or poppy seeds. It already looks gorgeous. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes or until beautifully golden. It smells incredible, warm, buttery, and savory. The pastry is so golden and flaky, just enough to tempt you before you even take a bite. For a festive touch, decorate it with chopped red bell pepper, fresh rosemary, and a few blueberries. This salmon spinach puff pastry wreath is so beautiful. It can be the centerpiece of your holiday table, yet it comes together effortlessly at home. Perfect for parties, holiday dinners, or a snack everyone will fight over. Now, here's the best part. Let's look inside. Buttery puff pastry wraps around tender salmon with a creamy ricotta. Spinach filling, giving you the perfect balance of flakiness and richness in every bite. Thank you for watching. And as always, keep tasting the world one bite at a time. See you next delicious Monday. Happy holidays!